Alam natin, Althea was supposed to play as a middle blocker and now as an outside hitter. So malaki adjustment. So maganda yung tandem nila ni Hilonggo dito.
Right. 3-game winning streak for them. So we'll see. While UP trying to snatch and stop a 2-game losing run, and the specialty of the house of girls like Pertito.
Minsan mas ginagamit si Jazz. Sometimes papasok din si Julia. So interesting move for Coach Bok.
Kung si Coach Kung Fu finding solving problems, si Coach Bok who calls a time.
And then hit it and wait for it at that peak point and hit the ball.
Down the line again, Reg Jurado scoring her 4th point of the match.
Wow, the efficiency of these two outside hitters of UST. Actually, minsan natatakot din yung kabila pag nagcha-challenge ang net kasi hindi mo rin alam kung natamaan mo ba talaga yung net.
Reverse set. And Reg Jurado says, "Squeeze me."
Jurado. She's that player na, alam mo, I would just want to say, Pipita is one of the most vocal players on the...
Checks in for Marga Althea. Played a great game the last time out against Adamson. Over-receives that one, but don't worry, Pepito was there. And Jurado crosses it to the net. 19-9. They really never looked back after the 8-0 start for USC.
Again, Jurado.
Bilis na laro nila today, partner.
More than nawawalan ng defender sa that side of the court from UST.
Reg goes cross. And that scores. Hilonggo, by the way, came in also for of Angge. Julia had to adjust. Good coverage there by Bansil. The dive there by Hilonggo. That's what you were talking about, partner. That transition play would have not worked if not for Mabet Hilonggo there. Now we're all tied up at 14. That's the save there by Mabet. Ganda na laban natin dito sa second set, 23-all. Carballo reverses to Jurado. Welcome back, Reg Jurado.
When she's in front, you can count on her to give USD a point. This line, and maganda yung mga floor defense na pinapakita nila, and they can easily convert it whenever they set it to Haboneta. Uses the blockers, but this one, no blockers.
Cassie has 3 players in the front line to work with. Back to Ira. Looking for a spot there on the cut shot. Jurado! That is out on the pole. 19-23. Celis. Pepito was there. A chance to get closer. Jurado again! Now the pressure is on. 20-23.
Jurado, sanay na sa...
Cassie. Monares with a perfect pass. And a swipe out. No.
UP read it well. Got points from that block.
3 set points out of system. But Jurado scores. They're still in it. Kapit lang, sabi ni Coach Kung Fu.
You know how veteran Jurado is. Kanina, puro down the line hits.
Dalawa. They save 1 set point. Julia to Deering. Pepito was ready. Althea to Poyos. Isulan has been spectacular for UP. Pepito, Carballo, Jurado pulls! And that will be a UST point.
Right, for the blocking purposes, defense on the net. And it's been working, pero yung attacks niya medyo nahihirapan siyang kuhanin yung timing niya.
Needs 15 essential ceramides. Face the game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin.
Point with that hit from Olango.
Carballo reverses again to Reg. And Reg finds a way to squeeze that ball into the crease of that block.
prepare yourself with all this big stage.
Yeah.
So you need more trainings. But if you're pero pinagdadaanan kasi talaga yan,
course.
partner, yung mga ganyan stages. But that's when doon ka rin titibay. But I would say, if you feel the pressure, if you feel this